In this video, we're going to have a sneak peek of the design of the Zimo kit. Okay, so first we created these two three boxes. This is a fast forwarded version though, so we've filleted it, we've shrinked it in size, and we shrink the size. We put the Adama logo in there, and then we brought all of them closer. Okay, so you see, this is how we've created the design for the Zimo kit, right? So you can look at it in different directions. You can design it by yourself as well. Okay, so that's the beauty of this Fusion 360 design, guys. So Fusion 360 is amazing. I would call it amazing because I love Fusion 360. It's amazing, literally. Okay, so make sure you practice it by yourself, and I hope this video is going to bring out some good virtues. Okay, thank you so much for watching.